ये कश्मीर जो है वो आपने हल करना है। ये बुरहान वानी की शहादत से एक महीना पहले, हमें तो पाकिस्तान में पता नहीं है इस चीज का, एक महीना पहले वाशिंगटन डीसी में यूएस कांग्रेस के अंदर बाकायदा हियरिंग हुई थी, टेस्टिमोनी पेश की गई थी। भारत में हुकूक इंसान, ह्यूमन राइट्स का जो रिकॉर्ड है, और ये जबरदस्त चीज थी, जरा क्लिप देखें।
Now recognizes Mr. Ajit Shahi. 5 minutes for your summary.
Honorable Chairman and Congressman Franks, thank you so much for inviting me here. I come from India, and as you've read my brief profile, much of the things that I have to say in my oral testimony, of course, has been covered by my co-panelist, Mr. Sifton. Two things are very important to know about the current status of human rights in India. One is, why is it happening? And two is, where do we see it going from here? The first part, Mr. Sifton, towards the end of his oral testimony, he hinted at it, and he said we should recognize that Mr. Modi's BJP party is an actor. I would like to make a small amendment to that, and I would say it is the director and not just the actor. It is the producer of human rights violations in India. It is the director of human rights violations in India, because it springs from an organization which is fundamentally racist, human rights, an organization that has indulged in human rights abuses and violence for nearly 90 years. This is an organization which is known better by its acronym called RSS, which is a self-avowed, self-confessed Hindu supremacist organization. And the BJP is a political wing of that organization.
ये आप हमारी